Oh, why hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and today is long, long ago on the viola, step-by-step tutorial walkthrough. This is going to be song number 8, Suzuki Viola Book 1. Alright, we're getting in there. This song is more and more complex. We have 4 lines and an unusual form for us now. So we have A, B, C, B. Let's do that again. A, B, C, B. So second and fourth are the same. Alright? Let's not concern ourselves right now with that. What we need to know is that we have 3 unique lines of music. A, B, and C. Okay? So let's start with A. Here we go. I'll sing it for you and show you the fingerings. Here we go. Line 1. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Try it again, plucking. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Alright, let's try it up here. Thumbs, pointer fingers. Straight wrist. 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Okay, it's very pretty. Alright, line 2, or B line. The B line is very similar to line A, alright, with a smashed ending. You'll hear it. Here we go. Here we go. So it's going to be line B. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. Kind of like it's a rushed ending. Here we go. Plucking. Ready, and D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. Okay. Now, let's try plucking it up here. Line B. Ready, and D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. Okay. Let's try line A and B together, okay? And so we can kind of conceptualize this contrast next to each other, okay? Thumbs, pointer fingers, ready, set, go. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. Okay. Go back, practice that. Those 2 lines. Now we need to move on to line 3 or line C in our form, okay? So this is my favorite one actually, okay? So this one we're starting with A string 0. Kind of unusual, but no 4th finger. Here we go. Ready, and A, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. A, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Alright. I kind of think we should use 4th fingers instead of the A's in this line, but I don't know. That's what I have in this edition. It could change, and newer editions have kind of altered different things and changed some things and added things. So we might want to try 4th fingers there, okay? In fact, let's do 4th fingers. I think if we're already using 4 in lines A and B, why not in C, okay? Let's do that one more time. I'm going to pluck it now with 4th finger. So find it, ready. Oh, and then this one, the 1-1s, we have to hop over to G1. So it's our first notes that we're actually playing on the G string, which is kind of exciting. Oh yeah, low. Here we go. So 4, 3, 2, 1, hop over, 1, 1, then back to D. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Again, the second half is an echo. 4, 3, 2, 1, hop over, 1, 1, then back 3, 2, 1, D. Okay? Here we go. Loud and echo. Ready, set, go. 4, 3, 2, 1, hop over, 1, 1, back. 3, 2, 1, D, echo. 4, 3, 2, 1, hop over. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Let's do that one up here. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your fingers ready. Ready, D string, go. 4, 3, 2, 1, hop. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Echo. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Okay. Let's do lines A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3 together, okay? Here we go. Putting it together. 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, D, B, D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. Line C. 4, 3, 2, 1, hop. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Echo. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. And now for good luck, let's just do the last line. Here we go. Ready, and D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. Did you remember that was another B line? A, B, C, B. All right. Now for real, let's do it straight through. A, B, C, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pizzicato, our last pizzicato super practice. Ready, and D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. Fourth finger. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Echo. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. All right. I think we can do all of that with the bow, okay? This one's going to be fairly easy. Opening and closing that elbow. Nothing complex, no double up bows or anything like that. So here we go. I think we can go straight into it, okay? Line A, B, C, B. Here we go. Smooth bows. Again, open and close from that elbow, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, D, 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 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. Circle bow, fourth finger. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Echo. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, D. Last line. D, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. And that's it. All right, this one's getting trickier and trickier, so go back, practice, review. I'll have the chapters set up in different sections, so you can kind of fast forward to where you need to go. All right, if you are good with this, the playthrough is coming up next, so I'll see you there. Bye.